சிஸ்டம் சாஃப்ட்வேரில் ஏப்ரல் 2016 உடைய யூனிவர்சிட்டி கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். பார்ட் ஏ, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், வாட் இஸ் சிஸ்டம் சாஃப்ட்வேர்? System software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer hardware and application programs. If you think of the computer system as layered model, a system software is the interface between the hardware and user application. The OS manages all the other programs in a computer. Second one, what is mean by binding? A program is compiled. To bind is to substitute a real for a variable value in the program, or to ensure the additional programming will be loaded into storage along with the compiled program. Third one is, what is a heap? Heap is a specialized tree-based data structure which is essentially an almost complete tree that satisfies the if property. In a max if for the given node C, if P is a parent node of C, then the key of P is greater than or equal to the key of a C. Name two assembler directories. Assembly language consists of two types of statements, executable statements. These are the statements to be executed by the processor. It consists of the entire instruction set of 8086 assembler directories. These are the statements that direct the assembler to do some things. As the name says, it directs the assembler to do a task. Fifth one is, what is macro expansion? Macro expansion is a literal replacement of the macro usage. The defender in the test of the source code by its definition. If it is not a call of a function, it is just lexical replacement of part of the source code by another string. It's done before compilation even starts by CPU processor. Sixth one is, what is purpose of a compiler? A compiler is a special program that processes statements written in a particular programming language and turns them into the machine language or code that a computer processor uses. Typically, a program writes language statement in a language such as Pascal or C on line at a time using an editor. Seventh one, what is triple? The program provides student with skills in the problem statement, analysis, implementation and testing, prepares the student's ability to adapt the various hardware and software platforms, equips students with the advanced analytical skills in computer science, statistics and mathematics. What is a pure interpreter? In computer science, an interpreter, a computer program that directly executes instructions written in a programming or scripting language without requiring them previously to have been compiled into the machine language program. What is a binary program? Binary code used in a digital computer based on a binary number system in which there are only two possible states, off and on, usually symbolized by 0 and 1. A binary code signals a series of electrical pulses that represent numbers, characters and operations to be performed. What is the use of linker? Linker or link editor is computer utility program that takes one or more object files generated by compiler or an assembler and combines them into a single executable file, library file or another object file. What is the purpose of test data generator? A test data generator is a specialized software tool that generates false or mock data for use in testing software application. The generated data may be either random or specially chosen to create a desired result. 12th question, what is self-relocating program? In computer program, a self-relocating program is a program that relocates its own address-dependent instructions and data when run and is therefore capable of being loaded into memory at any